Hello, I'm Matt Dubuque, the project manager for Team BonFHIR. We are working on a project for naloxone administration analytics. Naloxone is a drug used to counteract the effects of an opiate overdose and is commonly used in emergencies as a life-saving drug. Patients who have had naloxone administered are often at risk of overdosing. Our goal with this project is to inform any prescribing practitioner of potential patient and population overdose risks, such that they will be able to make informed decisions when prescribing a Schedule 2, 3, or 4 level opiate for pain control. This presentation provides a progress report as part of the third deliverable for our project. Let's quickly introduce the team. Team BonFHIR comprises of Matt as a project manager, Min as a QA, John and Derek as developers. We have a TA mentor, Courtney, and our external mentor, Fred. Follow the link for a video version of this presentation. Below is our Gantt chart. Having built out the patient and population views, including implementation of various visualizations in a PostgreSQL database, our project is on schedule. We have deployed our Dockerized Django application to the HDAP hosting environment. This week, we focus on additional research surrounding the alert mechanism to be implemented in the patient view, specifically the FHIR message resource specification. We also implemented mock data in the patient view and data from Controlled Substance Utilization Review and Evaluation System, CURES, and the population view. Currently showing opioid prescription statistics from the state of California, this data set will be replaced by naloxone-specific data from the Washington State Department of Health, which will be discussed later in the presentation. The patient view is currently displaying mock data as we work to integrate a FHIR server. A PostgreSQL database has been created for persisting population data to enable and inform patient risk analysis in the individual patient module. The current project status, as previously mentioned, is provided. We have deployed our Dockerized application to the HDAP hosting environment. The patient and population views have been implemented. The patient view contains mock data. The population view is ingesting CURES data with opioid prescriptions counts. A PostgreSQL database has been implemented and will enable scoring of patient-specific risk and efficient querying of population data. The screenshot provides an overview of the application's patient's view. From this view, a user can search for a specific patient by name or ID to display a table containing patient-specific naloxone administration history, as well as a patient risk profile score based on a number of previous naloxone administrations and patient location. This screenshot provides an overview of the application's population view. The population view provides a United States heat map displaying naloxone administration counts by state and drill downs to county. A user can apply various filters to display naloxone administration, including time period, patient age, and gender. Counts are displayed upon hovering or push in mobile the particular state. This screenshot illustrates the population view county-level drill-down functionality, as well as filtering capabilities. Here we have county-specific data counts for the state of California for male and female patients, ages 25 to 44 years, from the 2017 calendar year. Counts are displayed upon hovering or a push in mobile the particular county. As outlined, our pending tasks include implementing the FHIR server, integration to retrieve patient-specific data surrounding naloxone administration history, which will be completed by Derek. Implementing the mimicked alert functionality in the patient view, which will be worked on by both John and Derek. We also are looking to collect and implement the Washington State Department of Health naloxone administration dataset, which will be worked on by both John and Derek. Continue testing the application in the HDAP hosting environment, which will be performed by Min and Matt. Further research has been performed to examine details of the FHIR messaging resource. The intent is to use FHIR messaging to notify a source application from our application when a patient lookup includes a patient with naloxone administration history. A couple of concerns have been identified and resolved during the project completion. First, the current CURES dataset does not provide naloxone-specific information, but rather a comprehensive view of opioid prescriptions. To circumvent this issue, we will shift our focus to the dataset from the Washington State Department of Health, which provides naloxone identifiers. Furthermore, the alert mechanism requires a receipt of a message from a source application. Therefore, we will mimic this functionality with an impersonated lookup for proof of concept. As noted previously, below is a list of our pending tasks. The outstanding components of our application include the patient search functionality, which should be implemented with a FHIR server integration, the alert mechanism, additional filtering components that will be determined based on the features available in the Washington Department of Health dataset, an application overview on our homepage. Our final deployment plan is fairly concise. We have created production-level Docker and Jenkins deployment configuration files for a final deployment, which will be completed by Derek and John. Min and Matt will test the configuration before and after the completed application is deployed. Thank you for your time.